Sweet. All right, buddy. We're gonna make some granita with all this beautiful fruit. We got melon, pomelo, we got orange, we got blueberries, and lemons, and limes, some Meyer lemon, some honey. You got some good stuff, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, so first up, I'm gonna make you juice it. Some of these lemons, and we'll make a lemon granita. All these guys, I'll cut them first, so you don't have to cut them. And then you'll juice them, okay? Because you're the juicer. Do you want to zest some of this in here before we juice it?
Yeah.
And you're just gonna, okay? Watch your thumb, because this guy gets your thumb sometimes. Get all that zest so it's nice and lemony. Maybe a little bit of this zest too, because it's a little bit zestier, not as sweet. Okay. Now time for squeezing. And squish. Yeah, super hard. Watch your fingers. Oh. Yeah, keep going, watch your fingers. And kind of turn it sideways because, see, I don't like that way. It doesn't work the way I like it to. That's why I turn it upside down. All right, so with this, we're gonna add some water. And it's gonna be a little warm because it's gonna help the sugar dissolve. And then you are gonna add the sugar for me. And you're gonna add like maybe 3 spoons of it, okay? Ready to go? One more. Now you can add the sugar. Yep, good job. And then one nice, really big one.
This one?
Yeah. Ooh, there you go. And then stir it up.
Blueberries, okay?
Blueberries will be the next one because you're excited about that one. All right, looks like the sugar's dissolved-ish. Yeah, looking good. I'm gonna push this aside. And this is what I'm gonna freeze it on. I gotta be careful. This next one's gonna be super easy, okay?
What?
Grab your blueberries. Go grab the blueberries. All right. Set them on there. Yep.
What's your photo in?
That's okay.
What?
Oh, that one's fine. That's perfect for granita. Makes it even sweeter.
Should I pour it right now?
Yeah, go ahead. Pour half of it, not all of it, okay? Perfect, okay? You're gonna smash these guys up, super good. Okay? Smash, smash, smash. Keep going, I'm gonna add some sugar, okay? Keep going. All right. All right, that's looking purpley, huh? Okay, now Daddy's gonna add the water. And stir it up.
When you're done,
Okay,
mix it.
I'm gonna add maybe a little bit, just a tiny bit more water, buddy. All right, I'll try to be super careful. That looks good, huh?
Yeah.
Look how purpley that looks now. All right, hold the strainer good. You got it, bud?
Yeah.
Hold it out so it doesn't spill. Lift it up a little bit. Whoa, isn't that pretty?
Yeah.
Watch out, pay attention, okay? All right, nice pink, purple blueberry granita base, baby. Kind of swirl that around, get it all out. Super careful. Daddy's got to be a pro. There's a couple ways you could do this, buddy, but Daddy's just gonna take the skin off because we'll eat some more later. Just expose a little bit of that skin. Just follow the line. Always follow the line. And what was Daddy's tip for the watermelon? Follow the line.
Yeah.
Follow the line. It tells you where to cut, right?
Yeah.
It's like almost like a coloring book. Stay inside the lines.
Wait, schoolwork.
Hey, yeah, just like your schoolwork. All right, Daddy's gonna take all the skin off, and then I'm gonna save some of it and make some for Granita. Let's get rid of all these. If it doesn't fit, just smash it in there. And then my sugar. A little bit more. Okay, sugar. Boom. Gonna help that sugar dissolve. Keep shaking all that juice out. Don't let any of the pulp get in there. And look, if you want to get it all out, you just tap, tap, tap.
Can I chop?
Yeah, tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap.
No, what? I gotta do a west of these?
Here, you'll have some just once it's frozen. All right, off to the freezer this goes. Daddy will do the lime one, okay?
Okay.
Because you just said, I don't like lime. Daddy likes lime.
You done?
Mm-hmm.
I like honey, so I can put...
We'll do honey and pomelo next, okay? We need some zest to show that it's some lime. Zest is this part, the outside part, buddy, of citrus. All right. Lime, done. What is that?
Yeah.
Have you had a pomelo before?
No.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna do this one. Is it hard?
It is hard, but hold on, not yet. We don't squeeze it like that. Try, let's see you squeeze it. Over here.
Boy, that's good. I'm not good at it.
It's like a giant lemon. It's like a lemon the size of your head.
Yeah. It's really big as my hand.
Could you imagine if there was lemons this big, buddy?
Yeah.
What?
Oh, I hope he's good. What?
You keep tooting.
No. What?
Maybe a little bit more, and
Can I stir?
that's
stir it
probably
up?
good.
Can I stir it up?
Yeah, you can stir it up.
Ooh, this is hard to make.
The last one. Okay. We got some good flavors, huh?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Smells like honey. Everything out. Smells really good. What's up? Go put it back there. Go back there, bud. These are really cold. Oh, goodness.
I'll taste it.
Oh, that's cold, 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 cold. I should have. All right. Okay, so there's a couple ways to do this, little buddy. First, we're gonna scrape it with a fork. You wanna scrape it, just scrape on the top. See what comes up. Scrape hard, like all the way across, like this. Yep. All right, nice. Keep scraping. That's exactly right. And there's another way you can do it with a little. This gets like really nice fine shaving as opposed to the fork method. Almost like shave ice, almost. All right, now you want to put a little on the frozen thing, right? Here, let me do it. Put it on the frozen plate. And I believe this one's a lemon, or lime, actually. And we'll put a couple mounds around, all right? With the fork. See what your elbow grease, baby. Yeah.
A blueberry one?
Yeah, we'll do the blueberry one actually next.
You're gonna do all of flavors here?
Mm-hmm.
What?
we're gonna taste it right on this thing, dude. This is Meyer lemon, I think. Smells delicious.
Smell it. Smell it.
Now it's time to taste.
What?
Doesn't it look so fluffy? Like a cloud, like a frozen cloud?
Yeah.
A little crunchy, zesty. Oh, wow. Now that is the honey and pomelo. Very, very good. Almost kind of like grapefruit with a little of that floral honey. Actually, the blueberry is my favorite. I think I got the ratio perfectly on that.
You want to taste this?
I just did. It's like my favorite. Wow, very good. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the recipe. If you did, make sure you give it a like. Subscribe to my channel if you guys enjoy what I'm doing here. If you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure you leave comments down below. And I'll see you guys next time with another recipe. Later, folks. Blueberry's my favorite. Right?